Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by securing your data and environment so fixes don't make things worse. First, back up using file history or an external drive and confirm the copy works. Once done, create a system restore point and write down important account credentials. Make sure unnecessary peripherals are unplugged to avoid driver conflicts. And if you need fresh installation files, download the latest Windows 11 ISO or Update Media Creation tool before moving on. You'll perform targeted system repairs that resolve most issues. Run SFC to fix corrupted system files, then use DISM to repair the component store. These commands repair integrity so Windows behaves predictably. Next, update or roll back drivers in Device Manager, focusing on display, storage, and network devices because they commonly cause instability. If boot or system behavior still fails, open Settings, go to Recovery, and run Startup Repair or choose Reset while keeping your files to preserve data. You'll finish by ensuring changes stick and diagnosing remaining issues. Install all pending Windows updates and reboot at least twice so drivers and services apply correctly. Then, inspect Event Viewer and Reliability Monitor to identify recurring errors and note timestamps for targeted fixes. If instability persists after repairs and updates, perform a clean install from the ISO you prepared earlier. This resolves deep corruption. If that's necessary, restore your backed up files and confirm settings. And if anything goes wrong, use the restore point you created.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.